What if I told you that mastering the 20-rep push-up challenge isn't just about hitting a number, but about building strength, endurance, and mental toughness? Push-ups may seem simple, but when done correctly and consistently, they can completely transform your upper body, core, and overall fitness. Whether you're a beginner struggling to complete a full set or an experienced athlete aiming for perfect form and endurance, this challenge will test your muscles, stamina, and determination like never before. So, are you ready to push past your limits and master the 20-rep push-up challenge? Let's break it down step by step, so you can build strength, improve endurance, and dominate every push-up with perfect form. Why the 20-rep push-up challenge matters. You might be wondering, why 20 reps? What makes this number so special? The answer lies in the balance between strength, endurance, and muscular control. Many people can do a few push-ups, but maintaining good form for a full 20 reps separates the casual exerciser from those with true functional strength. Mastering this challenge means you've built a solid foundation of upper body strength, core stability, and muscular endurance, which is essential for overall fitness. Plus, if you're training for sports, military tests, or bodyweight mastery, being able to crush 20 push-ups flawlessly is a powerful indicator of strength and control. Step 1. Perfecting your form. Before jumping into high reps, let's fix the most common mistakes people make during push-ups. Proper form ensures you maximize muscle engagement, prevent injuries, and build strength efficiently. Here's how to do it right. White heavy checkmark hand placement. Keep your hands shoulder width apart, directly under your shoulders. A common mistake is placing hands too wide, which reduces chest engagement. White heavy checkmark body alignment. Your head, neck, back, and legs should form a straight line. No sagging hips, no raised but imagine a plank position. White heavy checkmark engage your core. Your core should stay tight and braced, just like during a plank. This prevents your lower back from dipping and protects your spine. White heavy checkmark controlled movement. Lower yourself slowly until your chest is just above the ground, then push back up explosively while keeping control. No bouncing or rushing. White heavy checkmark full range of motion. Half reps won't cut it. Go all the way down and fully extend your arms at the top for maximum effectiveness. Step 2. Building strength for 20 reps. If you're struggling to complete even 10 push-ups, don't worry. You need to first build a strong base before attempting the full 20 reps. Follow this structured plan to increase your reps. Small blue diamond week 1, start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 push-ups, focusing on perfect form. If you can't do a full push-up, do knee push-ups or incline push-ups to build strength. Small blue diamond week 2, increase to 12 to 15 reps per set, aiming for at least 3 sets. If you fail before hitting 12 reps, take short breaks and continue. Small blue diamond week 3, challenge yourself to hit 15 to 18 reps in each set. At this stage, focus on improving endurance and minimizing rest time between sets. Small blue diamond week 4, time to go for 20 reps. If you can reach 18 push-ups, push yourself for the final 2. Keep breathing, stay controlled, and don't rush your form. Step 3. Strengthen supporting muscles. Push-ups rely on multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. If you struggle with push-ups, strengthening these areas separately can boost your performance. Fire chest strength. Try incline dumbbell presses, chest dips, and wide grip push-ups. Fire shoulder endurance. Do pike push-ups, shoulder presses, and resistance band raises. Fire triceps power. Add diamond push-ups, tricep dips, and close grip bench presses. Fire core stability. Strengthen your core with planks, hanging leg raises, and ab rollouts to keep your push-ups solid and controlled. Step 4. Mastering the mental game. Many people fail push-up challenges not because of physical exhaustion, but because of mental fatigue. When your arms start burning, your mind will try to convince you to stop. But if you want to master the 20-rep push-up challenge, you need mental toughness just as much as physical strength. Here's how to stay mentally strong. Brain break it down. Instead of thinking about all 20 reps at once, focus on 5 reps at a time. Tell yourself, just 5 more, and repeat until you hit 20. Brain control your breathing. Inhale as you lower yourself, exhale as you push up. Proper breathing prevents early fatigue. Brain set small goals. First aim for 10 reps without stopping, then 12, then 15, and soon you'll reach 20. Brain push past the burn. When your muscles start shaking, remind yourself that growth happens in the struggle. Push through the discomfort. Step 5, the final test, 20 perfect reps. After weeks of training, you're ready for the ultimate challenge, a full set of 20 perfect push-ups. Here's how to approach it. White heavy checkmark. Warm up properly, do arm circles, shoulder stretches, and light cardio before starting. White heavy checkmark. Focus on form, keep your core tight, back straight, and movements controlled from the first rep to the last. White heavy checkmark. Find your rhythm, don't rush. Maintain a steady pace so you don't burn out too early. White heavy checkmark. Finish strong. If the last few reps feel impossible, dig deep, breathe, and push through. This is where true strength is built. What happens after you master 20 reps? Once you've conquered the 20 rep challenge, it's time to level up. Here are some ways to make push-ups even more challenging. Fire at resistance. Use a weighted vest or a backpack with books for extra difficulty. Fire. Increase reps. Push beyond 20 and aim for 30, 40, or even 50 reps over time. Fire. Try advanced variations. One-arm push-ups, archer push-ups, or explosive clapping push-ups will take your strength to the next level. Fire. Incorporate push-ups into workouts. Use push-ups in HIIT circuits, supersets, or endurance challenges for a full-body burn. Final challenge, are you ready to dominate 20 push-ups? Now that you have the knowledge, strategy, and mindset, it's time to step up and prove your strength. No matter where you're starting from, dedication and consistency will get you there. Push-ups aren't just an exercise, they're a symbol of strength, discipline, and endurance. Mastering this challenge will set you on the path to greater fitness, confidence, and physical power. So, drop down and take on the 20 rep push-up challenge today.